The Spring-Ford Area School District Transportation Department is providing real-time updates with the Bus Status app. This app allows you to receive notifications for the bus that your child rides and will be updated if there is a delay, cancellation, or updated bus number. To download the app, go to the App Store on your device and search for Bus Status. Open the app. We recommend allowing notifications so that you are always up to date. Scroll until you find Spring-Ford Area School District. Once this screen appears, select All Buses. Search for the bus number and tap the star to add it to your bus list. Now, you will receive notifications when one of your buses is delayed, canceled, or early.